Hello guys, Jignesh Jain here. I'm back with another video for our Redmi Note 7 Pro. Yes, this video is also for the Redmi Note 7 Pro. And as you can see in the wallpaper itself, today we are going to review the CorvusOS. So, without wasting the time, let's get into this. First of all, you need to install it directly via TWRP. It's an ROM zip. So basically, it's in a zip file. And as you can see, we can activate the assistant from a gestures. So that's a great thing in this particular ROM. Other than that, if you want to see all the features that have been available in this ROM, yes, it's a very feature rich ROM. So basically, I'll suggest you to stay till the end so that everything is known by you, that what all features it contains, and you can choose whether you want to have whether you want to flash this ROM to your Redmi Note 7 Pro or not. So before moving forward, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so that you can get all the notifications when I upload the ROMs. So let's get into it. First of all, as you can see, when you get into the settings, you will see the Ravens layer where you have so many of the customization. In notification itself, you will have an heads up notifications, hide smart replies, noisy notifications, force close. If you want to see all the details, you can also pause the video and check the details in this particular page. Okay, moving forward, you have miscellaneous where you can actually change the roundness or use the system framework. Then you have the screen animation. Let's change it to so you can change the animations as you want. I am selecting it randomly, so you will notice the changes. So now when I am reviewing this ROM, you will see different type of notifications. So as you have seen this, okay, then you have screenshot type that lets you take the full screenshot, or you can drag and select the area you want to take the screenshot. So you can select this from here itself. There's a screen of animations that can be used as CRT or scale if you want to. Then there's a scrolling cache. Other than that, it also has game mode, and you can also change the preferences of your game mode. So those who are interested in gaming can use this ROM. There is there you can also sensor block the packages if you want to block the sensors of some packages or something. You can also see measure of the user interface changes if you want to. Those who want to see, you can see and pause the video and see this. Now moving to the lock screen, you have lock screen shortcuts. There is left and right. Then you have lock screen style where you can change the clock style. As you can see the clock style has been changed. Also, I like to remind you that it contains AOD. So yes, AOD is present in this particular ROM. That's one of the best thing I want in the ROM. So yeah, that's it. We can also use this semi accent ORs. Yeah, you can see. Other than that, so yeah, this is another one if you want to use. You can also change the, just notice the animations that we have changed. So yeah, you can change the fonts from here. So let's take Samsung. Okay, the fonts have been changed right now. Moving forward, you also have the style of date. You also have the fonts. You can also change the owner info and font options. Lock screen charging animations can be changed from here. If you really want to see what change it contains, let's use the charging animations right now. So I am just changing this charging animations to the explosion. Let's see. I've locked the screen. Now I'm putting the charger. And I'll so this is what animation is coming. Let's get to the other animation. Water. Okay, so you can see the animations here. You can use whatever you want. Let's move forward. You have option to show the status bar in the lock screen if you want to. You can also use media player and visualizer in the lock screen. So yeah, that was for the lock screen. Now moving to the fingerprint, you have an option to select fingerprint vibration authentication. Sorry, fingerprint authentication vibration. But that is when you click on when you place your fingers on the fingerprint sensor, it will vibrate, and it will also show the error for vibration. If you want to, you can select it from here. Now moving to the status bar, we have option for charging LED. We also have an aggressive battery. Basically it will enable the battery saver if you want to. Then there is an option for the battery bar. Currently battery bar location is hidden. Let's take it into the quick setting header. So now you can see that there is a slide battery bar which can be used if you want to. Let it be hidden. Then you have battery locations, battery estimates. Battery estimates means till when it will last. So currently it's on 4 hours and 45 minutes. Oh sorry, it will last until 4 p.m. So that was it. Other than that, you have an battery style. You can change the battery styles. You can also enable the percentage, and you can hide the battery if you want to. Probably yes, you can hide the battery. Then there's a carrier label if you want to. You also have the clock option that can be placed in the left or right as you want. Then there's an icon manager. You can change the quick settings. See, the quick setting blur has been applied. So yeah, you can change the quick settings if you want to. Many options for themings are available here. Then you can enable the traffic monitor if you have it. Then there's a ticker if you want to use. Moving forward, there's another option of hardware where buttons can be configured if you want to. So if you want to change the buttons, you can change the buttons from here. You can also configure the navigation bar if you want to, but I am not using navigation bar. In 2020 nobody uses it. So power menu animations are also there if you want to. So let's select slide. As you can see, 3D and translucent posting. So yeah, you can change the power menu animations also. Moreover, you can also see the volume panels that has been used for this particular ROM. They look so pretty decent. Okay, so that's it for the Ravens. Now let's go to the themes. You can see you can change the themes from here also. You can change the default color, font style, icon shape. See, it's changing on the spot. You can change the theme, pitch black, slow, solarized, dark, anything. So yeah, you can use as you like. We'll keep with the light right now, and you can also change the system schedules, pack up this theme or anything else if you want to. Moving forward, there are usual network and internet activities available here. VoLTE is working great, no issues with that too. Then you have app and notification, everything is same, as good as Android 10, nothing additions here. So moving forward, you can also see connected device, app and notifications, battery, display. In display we have some few more things, that is lock screen display. You can add the details from what you want in the lock screen display. You can also change the value of display brightness on the ambient display. So yeah, this is great ROM for people that are longing for the lock screen display, that is AOD. You can also change the preferences of your gaming if you want to. In display there's an options to change the smallest width. If you want to, you can change it from here also. Other than that, you can see in sound everything is same. There's an MI sound enhancer if you want to use. That's an extra addition in this ROM. And then in the system you have developer option and everything that you need to see. So I'll say guys, this is it. I have completely checked all the features in this particular ROM. I'll say if you want a most customizable themable ROM with a decent gaming experience and a great battery backup, use this ROM. This is the best. So that's it guys, take care, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.